Hi everyone, I'm George and welcome back to the Anime Grove, and today it's time for Spy Family. I thought it was season 2, but apparently it's season 1, but episode 13. Whatever, I don't really know, but you know, let's get into it. I really enjoyed season 1, it was really lighthearted, and that's something I really appreciate from my shows, because nowadays everything is so grim and so fucked that I actually enjoy having a few laughs, and I don't know. I'm using I don't know too much, but you know what I mean. I really appreciate that kind of stuff, just like I appreciate Ruby Chibi in the middle of every Ruby season. Although I think I already finished all of Chibi's seasons. I don't really know. In any case, let's get into it. This isn't a market substitute, so grab your little copy and watch it along with me. This is Crunchyroll. It's been a while since I recorded in Crunchyroll. But if you enjoy my content, remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to join the Keepers of the Grove and help me continue growing the channel. We're already at 300 people. As I said the other day, thank you so much. You keep making my dream possible. I never expected so many people to have an interest on what I said, on what I say, so over and over, thank you so much to all of you. In any case, let's get into it. Spy Family, episode 13, go! Okay, what are these? Animal cages? Oh, dogs! Didn't we see something about a dog at the ending of last season? Or something like that, but we never saw anything else after that. Why is she in such a hurry? Is she... Oh, I think they promised her a dog. Something like that, I think. Yeah, it must be. Mr. Dog. She deserves it. She's such a good girl. Oh my god, they look so threatening. Is she... That's a hard no. Wait, he's faking it, right? Because of the order? It was so convincing, I'm not even sure he's faking it. Oh, she's helping him, so it's probably true. She's so intelligent. Oh shit. He's so young though. Oh, is Twilight going to dress up as their leader? Man, they're going to make him feel alienated, ostracized, so he talks. This is so low. It sucks, man. You just got played, son, like a fiddle. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Come on, man, that's such a piece of shit move. They're going to use the event that they talked about, right? Man, this is going to be dangerous if Anya goes there and Lloyd is not. Well, Yori is there too, so whatever, she can make sure they're safe. I trust in Yor. Are these the terrorists? I think I've seen this dog in the... What's it called? The... not trailers, but the pictures. that show up everywhere, so maybe this is the dog they're getting? Oh shit! Damn! Is it really smart, or can it see the future or some shit? Damn. And they really plan on using them as bombs. They're so cute! All the dogs and cats. I'm a cat person myself, but there are some dogs that are really cute. Yeah, you could say that. I have never liked Chihuahuas much, but this time when I went to Venice, I really liked all the Chihuahuas I saw. They were really cute and they weren't mad, like they always had in pictures and stuff. They were all like pretty chill. Did she see her own family when reading his mind? If what I guessed that the dog can see the future is true, maybe that means she can see the future, he can see where he's with them. If you know what I mean. No, this is not a shop, Anya. Oh shit. Is this Keith? Freaking terrorists, man. Yeah, bad guys. This fucking psycho. Someone please come? You're please realize? Scream, Anya. I don't know. Let's go, Mr. Dog. There we go. Who's a good boy? Mr. Dog. What the hell, you're... You became a spider, all of a sudden. She's in the corner of the room. Oh, she's... Oh shit! She is, using Eagle Eye. Kind of? No, that's not it. No, that's really creepy though. Run, Yord. I forgot she thinks he's in the bathroom. Yeah, it's the parade, maybe? No, Project Apple. Isn't that the name of the episode? Oh, wait. Are they all like that? Or is it only the Mr. Dog then? Shit. Or maybe the dog can't see the future and it's just really intelligent, and so the thing was about to fall? Or... I don't know. Oh, it can see the future. Wait, that's an unstoppable team then, because then Anya can also see the future. Anya's gone. Let's go. Man, the stakes have gone so much higher since season 1. This is like high speed for her. Like too much. Wait, what is this? Okay, the smell of adventure. Let's go! Starlight Anya! Man, the production values have gone up. Wait! What is it doing? No! Is it smart or dumb? I have no idea. Oh! Are they shit? There you go. Knock his teeth off. Kick them in. I love when characters bounce after a hit, when they hit the floor or the walls, like it's so epic. Now you're a pervert and you deserve it. Okay, so it's over. Really fun episode. I'm so glad to be back to this show. It hasn't been that long, especially because we were just practically just finished. We were practically just over with season 1, so I'm really glad that it took so little to be able to continue the show. As I said, I really need one of these shows that I react to weekly to be somewhat lighthearted and happy, because it gets a bit too heavy otherwise. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, or at least half of it. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and for staying to the end of the video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. So peace out.